Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the insides of the toilet with new ones. So let's begin. Alright guys, so to begin we'll go ahead and turn off the water. We'll take the lid off. And we will go ahead and drain all the water out of the tank. Alright, from underneath, we will grab our wrench and we will start loosening up the tank. There should be 3 bolts. Now that you have all the bolts out, don't forget to remove your water supply. And I should have let you guys know ahead of time, put a towel back there because water is going to drain out. We will go ahead and grab the tank and go ahead and pull it up. And then you're going to want to clean all that nasty crap up. Make sure you clean the inside of your hole because your old ring can still leave residue in there. So go ahead and clean all that up. We can go ahead and then we'll move to the tank. Flip this over. All your bolts will pop out. You can use a screwdriver and pop this rubber seal out, or you can use a knife. You lift it up a little bit, it'll pop right out. You can just go ahead and take this and throw it away. We have all new parts for it. Once you get the rubber seal off, you can go ahead, take off your ring. Use something that's big enough to fit around it. And hopefully not all your insides will spin too. We'll go ahead and tilt this up a little bit. Alright, as soon as you get the ring off, go ahead and let everything drop. You can throw that ring away too. And then we can go ahead and take this one out as well. This is your water feed. Take that, you can throw it away. Then you flip it back over, and everything comes out. Set that off to the side. We'll go ahead and remove the handle as well. And now that you have everything removed out of it, you can you go ahead and rinse out all this nasty crap in it. Now that you got it all cleaned out and everything, go ahead and take off your ring and your secondary ring as well. You can go ahead and drop that in. Kind of turn it over to the side a little bit. Kind of like that. And then you will grab your plastic ring and put it on the bottom. Alright guys, now that it's kind of tight, we can go ahead and flip it back over and just kind of hold on to it a little bit. You can give a couple of little turns until it snugs up pretty good. I'll just go a little bit further. Yeah, about right there is good. If you want to, you can go ahead and throw your new seal on. And then we'll grab your new float and the hardware to get it put on. So we'll turn this back on over and drop in the float. After you put the new seal on. Now that the new seal's on, go and drop it in, kind of put it at an angle a little bit too. Then we'll take that and spin it right on. Take it, flip it back over, and tighten a little bit more. That should be perfect. Now this is a good chance that you put the new handle on. If you want, you can also wait until towards the end while it's filling or whatever. Alright, now you take everything and set it right on top. Okay, so you have all your hardware. It comes with 6 new rubber ones. Should have been 3 bolts. And then washers. You have washers and nuts too. So go ahead and throw those in. Now that we have everything on, you'll want to go ahead and hook up your water. And then this little part will just kind of slip on over your tube like that. This will slip over this valve. Kind of feed this or grab this little clamp, pull back. Kind of push it on until it stops. Put your clamp on. Same with the top. And this just controls your flow. So we'll just kind of leave it where it's at for now. And go ahead and grab our new handle. We'll put it in. And tighten it. It doesn't need to be. We'll grab our chain. We'll find the final resting place of the valve. And we'll just go down a little bit with our hook hook onto the chain there. Now we'll go ahead and turn on the water. This is a good time to check for leaks, guys. Alright, so as it's filling, you're going to need to watch it and make some adjustments. This float stopped it just short of the water line. So we'll go ahead and turn this to raise the float. And that will raise the water line as well. Just let it go. And I'll start filling. Until finally it stops. It needs a little more adjustment too. It doesn't look like this will go any further, which is not a bad thing. And then we'll test it out. And it works. There's no leaks. Everything is working. So we'll go ahead and throw the top back on. And then we will be good. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you stick around for more videos. Let me know what you want to see. Thanks.